Hello traders. Now I will show you most popular moving averages to avoid choppy or flat market. Uh, First of all, we need to add two moving averages, 48 exponential low, shift 0, and then we will add moving averages, exponential, make it high. Now we will find a choppy market, and then we'll see how it works. We got here some choppy market or flat market. So let's explain how it works. The strategy is when a bull candle break out this EMA fast, this first candle break the EMA, and second candle will be uh, another bullish candle and break out the first candle highs. And for bearish, first candle will be bearish and break the EMA, and second candle break the first candle lows. First candle lows. Uh, Now here is, we can't trade from here. We not trade here because second candle not break the highs. Here is not break the highs. Do not trade on B candle. Here is, we got here, from here we got a entry. We can look for sell entry from here. No entry from here, and also not here, and not also here. We're not getting any entry from here and also from here. We not get any entry from here and not get any entry from here. We will get an entry from here because this candle break the first candle lows. That break the first candle break the EMS, and second candle break the first candle lows. So we can looking for sell entry from here. We're not getting any entry from here and here. Not getting any entry from here. Here is also not getting entry. Here is, we got entry. First candle break the EMA and second candle break the first candle lows. We are looking for sell entry. And trending on trending market, it works very well like this. Also like this, it's work well on trending market also, and it works good on choppy market, flat market also. This is all about my strategy. Thanks. Please subscribe my channel.